Welcome to Tales of Wisdom. I am here with one more interesting story. This story is about two siblings Nivi, Rohan and their magical adventure. The Midnight Library. Long back, in a quiet town where the stars twinkled like tiny lanterns and the wind whispered sleepy lullabies, two siblings, Nivi and Rohan, were taking a walk. Near the house, Nivi, with her bright glasses and curious eyes, was flipping through a comic book. Rohan, with spiky hair and endless energy, was building a tiny robot on the floor. Suddenly, Nivi looked out the window. Nivi, softly. Rohan, do you see that light? Far away, past the park, a warm golden glow shimmered near the old library. It wasn't like any light they'd seen before. It looked magical. Rohan. Whoa! Isn't the library always closed at night? Nivi. Let's find out. Nivi and Rohan plans to sneak out with flashlights, hearts pounding in excitement. They tiptoed through the garden, crossed the sleepy street, and stood before the giant wooden doors of the town library. The doors slowly creaked open by themselves. Inside was a world they had never imagined. Books floated gently above glowing shelves. Candles flickered with blue flames. And right at the center stood an old man with a long silver robe and a glowing feather quill. Librarian, smiling warmly. Welcome, young readers. You've found the Midnight Library, a secret place that only appears to those with curious minds and kind hearts. Nivi, whispering, said, Is this real? Librarian? Og, yes. But remember, when the first sunlight touches the sky, all books close until the next full moon. The librarian held out a huge glowing book titled The Candy Kingdom. Nivi and Rohan placed their hands on the pages. The book opened with a whoosh, and they were pulled inside. They landed on a giant marshmallow. Around them were hills of jelly beans, candy cane trees, and chocolate rivers. But something was wrong. Candy citizens were gathered around a dry rainbow fountain. Their colors had faded. Some were even melting. Gumdrop Guard worried and said, The rainbow fountain is broken. Without it, our world is losing sweetness and color. Rohan, by clenching his fists, said too, We'll fix it. Nivi, we just need to work together. Rohan climbed the crystal pillar while Nivi searched the candy pump lines. After twists, turns, and a gooey chocolate blast, they fixed the clog and placed the glowing crystal back. The fountain burst back to life, shooting rainbow water high into the sky. Candy citizens cheerfully said, 3 cheers for our heroes. Back in the Midnight Library, the librarian was waiting with another book. This one was tattered and soft, with a cover written on it. The Island of Lost Toy. They stepped onto a foggy island filled with broken toys. A teddy with a missing eye looked up at them with hope. Toy soldier, saluting Nivi and Rohan. We've been forgotten, left behind. Rohan, stitching a teddy bear ear. You're all special. Let's bring you back to life. As they mended, sewed, and hugged the toys, one by one, the toys began to glow. The island filled with music, laughter, and dancing. Toy soldier. You've given us more than repairs, you gave us love. Back in the library, the sky turns light blue outside the window. Nivi looked out and gasped. A soft light peeked through the curtains. Nivi said, Rohan. The sun. Librarian calmly said, It's time, young ones. You've learned what many forget, bravery, kindness, and imagination can change the world. Rohan reluctantly said, Will we ever come back? Librarian smilingly said. When your hearts call for another story, the library will find you again. Nivi and Rohan woke up in bed, the golden glow gone. Was it all a dream? Then Nivi spotted something, a golden feather, just like the librarian's quill. Nivi whispers. It was real. At school, Nivi and Rohan raced to the library. The books looked normal until one of them gave off the faintest glow. Nivi and Rohan smiled and sat down and the faintest glowing book together. Because now they knew. Magic isn't just in spells or fairy dust. It's in stories, in friendship, and in the hearts of those who believe. And sometimes, just sometimes, books really do come alive. Moral of the story is: books hold the power to take us to magical places, teach us kindness, and inspire us to dream. The more we read, the more we grow, just like Nivi and Rohan. For more such magical stories, stay tuned with us. Thank you.